Welcome to 729 Antlers Drive, where you will find an in-ground pool. In this updated 4-bedroom brick home with a second kitchen for entertaining and parties, and an outside full bath. This home has new beautiful flooring, paint, granite counters, a backsplash, cabinet fronts, lights, stainless appliances, a line pool, and garage door. Enjoy formal living and dining rooms, a great room with a stone fireplace, a huge vaulted family room that overlooks the pool, and 3 full baths and a 1/2 bath. Let us not forget about the huge deck, sprinklers, well, fenced yard, Antlers Drive schools, and being located in Deerfield. Click on the red dots to go to that location of the home. Click on the back arrow to return to the previous scene. Click the forward arrow to view the next scene, or just sit back and enjoy the tour as it plays. The foyer greets you upon entering the front door of this beautifully updated home. The foyer has tile floors and measures 12 feet 5 inches by 6 feet 9. The formal living room and dining room are located to the right of the foyer upon entering the front door. The formal living room is to the right of the foyer upon entering the front door. It has beautiful laminate hardwood floors, 2 large arched windows, and measures 16 feet 2 inches by 12 feet 5. The formal dining room is located off the formal living room. The formal dining room has laminate hardwood floors, an arched window, chair railings, and measures 12 feet 5 inches by 11 feet 7. This gorgeous great room has laminate hardwood floors, a wood-burning fireplace, recessed lighting with a beam ceiling, 2 French doors that lead to the vaulted family room, and measures a very spacious 23 feet 8 inches by 14 feet 7. The door in the great room leads to the foyer. The kitchen has an eat-in area that measures 11 feet 2 inches by 6 feet 6, and has tile floors. The mud area is located off the kitchen. The kitchen has beautiful new counters, new stainless appliances, new backsplash, updated cabinets, new lighting, new flooring, and measures 11 feet 2 inches by 9 feet 5. The kitchen has new gorgeous countertops with new backsplash, updated cabinets, new stainless appliances, and new flooring. This kitchen has new stainless appliances that includes a dishwasher, stove, and vent hood. The family room has a vaulted ceiling with 2 fans, lots of windows for plenty of natural lighting, laminate floors, and measures 25 feet 5 inches by 19 feet 6. The guest hall is located off the foyer upon entering the home. It has laminate hardwood floors and leads to the bedrooms and bathrooms.